Right, welcome to Donva Multi Digital Skill Academy. So in this video I want to show you how to log in into your demo and real account number to your MetaTrader 5 platform. You know, when you created your demo or real account number from Drive, so there are some numbers you generated which will give you access to trading platform called MetaTrader 5, right? So in this video I want to show you how you can log in. So let's dive into that. First thing first, you have to log into your account via Drive. You see now that Drive, you log in. Let me log into this person's account. You log in direct. So let's go. So if you watch this person's account, you will find out that I've successfully logged in, and he has this is real. How do you know when you are in real account? You see this flag, that is how you know that you are on a real account. I'm going to swap to demo now by clicking on this one. How do you swap from real to demo? So you click on this pop down menu there. This thing just blocked it, but I'll still manage to click it. Okay, when you click on it, let me click on it. I will tap there, the top pop down menu. Do you see? It has brought me to this place. You can see real, you can see demo. So if I click on this demo now, let me click this red something will highlight under the demo. Let me click on it. I'll show you. I tap on the demo. You see the red thing has highlighted there. You can see the red underline. Okay, another thing now is to tap this money behind the demo. This money now, you see demo, you see the money. So you tap on that money so that the demo will pop up there. So let me tap the money. I tap the money. You are now with to roll. So once it's roll, you look there. Just look here. The money will appear very soon because you see the money has appeared. Okay. Now I'm on my demo. So how do I get the demo account number that will allow me to access MT5 platform? You click on this pop down menu there again. That pop down menu, right? So let me click on it. I think I clicked yes. So when I click, look at this number. This is the number I need. This number under this thing. Okay. If I want to see it more visible, I will click on this this money things. If I click on this money, this one, let me click on that money. You see, look at the number. Look at the number. So this number, this ID, this number here, that is what you will use to log into MT5. The server is a Drive demo. The broker is Drive Limited, we know. Okay, so we are going to copy this number and go to MT5 and log in. Okay, let me copy it by clicking on this button. If you click on this here, you copy it, or you copy it out to your diary. Let me click on the button and copy. Then I minimize. I now go to my MT5. Where is my MT5? You have your MT5. I hope you have downloaded it from Play Store. I said if you don't have it, you can download it from Play Store. So just type MetaTrader 5 on Play Store. Look at it. You will download this thing. So I'm going to click on it so that it will open. So I tap on it. You see? So the moment you open MT5, currently you will be seeing all this kind of a thing, all this Euro USD, all this currency pay, all these things. That is what you'll be seeing the moment you download it. Though today is Friday, Saturday, you know, Forex don't operate on a weekend. That's why it's very, very blank like this. So how then do I log in? Because what we are really doing is synthetic indices, not really Forex. And synthetic indices pays more than Forex, of course, from the presentation I did yesterday. You must have known that, right? Good. So what do? You click. For us to log into synthetic indices and displace all this thing here. So what we do is to click on this menu here. You see this menu, you click on it. Let me click on it. Okay, so when you click on the menu, right, you click on come on, these people stop posting this thing for me. So you click on this manage account. You see manage account, you click on it. Okay, so when you click on manage account, right, so what do again? You click on so you click on this plus sign. There's plus sign there. Let these people come on there. Look at you. There's this plus sign. You click on that plus sign. Make sure you are following me up. So when you click on this plus sign, of course you will see Drive Limited. By then, because you really downloaded that thing, you have to search for a broker here. You see, search for a broker, find broker. You type Drive Limited. You see it because I've searched it before. That's why it appears. But if you have not searched it, you have to type let me type it so that you see. Drive, DERIV. Just drive this way. You click on your search button. You click on your search button. Let me show you something. So if you type on that, you click on this search button on your screen. If you click on the search button on your screen there, you will see this thing. This one will appear. This one, Drive Limited. So tap on that Drive Limited. When you tap on it, it will bring you this place. You can see login. That number we copied, that login number, this is where you paste it. This is where you put your password, the password you use to create account. Here you see this place is Drive Server. When you click on this pop down menu, you will see so many things inside there. So because we are logging into demo, we are going to click on that Drive demo, this pop down menu to change it to Drive Demo, because that was the server we are logging into. So let me go and paste the number I copied. I will paste that the number I copied that time. I'll enter the password. Let me log you off and enter. So now I have entered the password. Another thing is to change this thing to Drive Demo, because I'm logging into demo. If it is rare, you leave it as a Drive Server, Drive Server 02, but I'm logging into demo. I'm going to click on this pop down menu. Let me click. You see, you can see Drive Demo. Some persons, when you create account, this one is for real account. You have server 02 and the server for real account, but this one is just for demo. So I'm putting demo because remember what we copied was demo. Let me go and show you there again. You know what we copied there was demo. You see, let me show you from that place. You see Drive Demo, that is our server. So you must know your server. When you create a real account, you must check whether it is Drive Server, Drive Server 02, but this one is just Drive Demo because I'm logging into demo. All right, so let me go there again. Let's go back and click on demo. So when you do that, you will now click on what? Login. You can see the login button here. You click on what? Login. So you wait. You see, immediately the thing network, you see it has appeared. Drive Demo. How do you know that you have login? You see Drive Demo. You see everything. You see the name of the account have appeared. So when you click here, click on this thing, this down something. You see this thing. Let me click on it. I tap on it. Do you see everything is volatility here now? Everything volatility. You see volatility this, volatility that, volatility that. This is synthetic indices. Okay, boom and crash, everything is on volatility. It's no longer that a former one you are seeing. You see that as it's blinking, because this one operates 247. Operate 24. It doesn't stop, but Forex stop doesn't operate on weekend. That's why we say this one has more advantage than Forex, because Forex trade from Monday to Friday and it will stop, but this one trades 247 every day, morning, night, evening. Money is flowing on the air. So I told you, you don't have reason to disturb government. This is where you have to just get the training and start making your money. You see, let's go there. Remember, this is demo. So if I just go now and do some let me say boom, I just do some buy, some sell. I mean, if I do some sell, you see, I just sold a market now because I click here. If you want to buy or sell, you click on this thing. So I will teach you how to navigate. Another video is how to navigate. So you see, sell. You see, so as I sell, I will be making money. You see, anyone, you see, the moment I sell, this thing will turn to, you see, this one has entered profit. This one is not yet to enter profit. This one is not yet to enter. This one has entered. This one also joined them very, very soon. So that is how we make the money, and it's loading in profit. You see, it's loading in profit immediately. This one is not be say you go to do too much analysis. You see, the moment it's turned from red to blue, this one is still it has entered. This one have joined them. So everything is in profit now. That's how you make money on this system. So another video will come. I hope you catch the trend how to log in. Let me repeat. You know, we just successfully log in for demo. So how do you know it's demo? When you click there, when you click on this thing, let me click on it. You see, when you look by the side, if you look up there, you see demo. This thing just covered it, but it's demo. That's how you know it's demo. Okay, so let's go. Let me close this market. How do I close it? I'll drag it this way. Shit, man. Let's close it so that we can log into it. Or let me leave it running, or let me close it so that you can look at it. If you drag this thing this way, let me drag it. You see, you click on this rectangle. You see this rectangle, you click on it. I tap on it, then you click on close with profit. Look at close with profit down there. I will click. So that one has closed like that. I'll drag another one left. I'll drag it, that is left. Click on the rectangle, click on close with profit, it will close. Done. I drag again, click on close with profit, it's close. I drag again, click on the close profit, it's what? Clicked. So how do I know? If I want to know the amount I've just actually make, I will click on this this symbol there. Let me go and click on it. You see, it's just $18. We just successfully made what? $18 immediately. $18 is how much? $18 is 9,000 naira within this short period of time. Do you see? So the money is there. It's just sort of you getting this training. So let's go and log into, I don't want this video to be too long. Let's go and log into Rain. Remember, I just copied for demo, so I'll go back to that account. Remember, I told you this is just demo, right? So how do you know? Because we are on demo. On demo, where is it? Look at it. So this thing is highlighted to demo, so we are going to highlight for this one, or we go there and change it. Okay, let's do each of them. I click on the Rain, say add Rain. So let me go back. I do too fast. Let me log in again. I just suddenly click back, so it will log in now. Do you see? This is Rain now. This is Rain. I told you, when you see this symbol, that's where you know it's Rain. And this person don't have money in that account, so I'm going to tap on this pop down menu so that we copy the account number and go to MT5. So I will tap. So I've tapped. You see, it's on Rain now. The highlight is on Rain. You see this underline red is on Rain. So what do I do next? To tap on this add, because this person don't even, they have closed his real account because of inactivity on them. So I'll click on this add account and enter his password to regenerate that number. I'll click on add. So when I click on add, they ask me to enter password. So what do? I will enter password. Let me log you off and enter password. So I just entered my password there. So another thing is to click add here. This thing just cover it. You see add account. So let me click on it. So I'll click on add account. You see, I will now click on maybe later. The moment you click on add account, they will ask you this thing. Are you transferring now? You say no, just maybe later. Let me click on maybe later. You see the number now. So the number have been generated. Look at the number. So you see, my server is Drive Server 02. It's not ordinary server. So you must be cognizant. So you must be careful about this, because if your server is Server 02 and during your login you use Drive Server, it will not log in. So you must copy the right information. Drive Server 02. So I'll have to copy this number. Then the broker remain Drive Limited. Then the server is Drive Server 02, not only ordinary Drive Server. So this one is what? This is the login number. I'll now copy it by clicking this thing. Let me copy it. I copy it. So let's go to that MT5. So we come to MT5. So we follow the process again. How do? We go to this menu, right? You know, that is the usual step. We go to that menu, right? So when we go to that menu, let me click on it. Then we click on what? Manage account. Look at it. I will click on it, manage account. So when you click on manage account, you click on this plus sign. Look at the plus sign there. So I will click on it. Do you understand? So when you click on it, because I have searched the Drive Limited before, it's there. It's just to tap on it. So when you tap on it now, they will ask you to log in. So that login, I'll paste that number I copied here, enter my password here, choose Drive Server 02. You see here is Drive Server. So I have to change it to Drive Server 02 because that's my server. So I will now paste the number first, enter the password. So you see, I have entered my password. Is to change the Drive Server to Server 02 now. I'll click on the pop down menu, select Drive Server 02, and then click login. So while you click login, so we'll check if I got it well. Network don't disturb me. So let's see, it's coming. The name must appear here. If you get everything correct, because it's live account, your name must appear up there. Okay, so let's check. Can you see it? So it has just appeared. Look at it, 00, because there is no money in that account. Look at the person's name. Okay, so that is all. So if I now click here, you will now see. Let's navigate. I click there. You see everything is demo, volatility and all that, right? So here, the next video I'll show you how to navigate using all these some things. All these things will take you to different phase in this thing. Okay, so that is the whole thing. So if I click here now, it says 00. If I click here, it says 00, equity, balance, everything is 0, because no money is in, no, there's no money in this account. This is just new account. So that is all. Okay, so that is all. So follow this pattern and log in. When you log in, you let me know, so that I will guide you on what to do next, how to navigate around. The next video is coming, how to navigate around the environment, because each of these symbols down will take you to another point. You see, this is chat environment, where we'll do the analysis and everything. So that is it. So congratulations. Remember, it's Donval. Your digital coach will keep feeding you up with some values. Always watch my status to get the values. Always watch my status. Don't watch it just in every 30 minutes. Watch my status. Must get some information that will change your life. Okay, so congratulations. Do good to save my contact, and always watch my status every morning, every evening, every afternoon, in fact every minute. Thank you.